worksheet, one thing I want to tell you today is that the days are getting longer. When Earth first formed 4.6 billion years ago, a day was about 6 hours long. Since then, the Earth has slowed down. It takes longer to spin around. Every 100 years, the day gets 0.0017 seconds longer. Why? The moon is slowing down the Earth's rotation with the tides it creates. As the tides rise and fall all over Earth, it creates a force that slows down Earth's rotation. Isn't that interesting? Okay, ready for our worksheet, Dinos? You got this. First, let's write our names. You dinos, I'm so proud of you every week for joining me for a brand new worksheet. You're learning so quickly. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Purple L, what do you see? I see a yellow lion staring at me. Let's read it one more time. Purple L, what do you see? I see a yellow lion staring at me. What do you think we're going to color the L? It says purple L, what do you see? What color do we color the L? That's right, purple. Let's grab our purple crayon and color the L. My dinos are so good at coloring. You guys are coloring inside the lines so well. That purple L is coming out quite terrific. Great job, look at that L. It's so purple. Now, what do we color the lion? It says, I see a yellow lion staring at me. What color do you think we color the lion? I see a yellow lion. That's right, yellow. Let's grab our yellow crayon. First, we're going to color the face and the body yellow. Does my dinos want to hear a joke about the lion? Okay. Why did no one trust Mr. Lion? Because he was always lying. Get it? Now that we're done coloring the face and the body yellow, let's color his hair as a little light brown. Now I'm going to color his mouth red, so it looks like a ferocious lion. Whoa, check out Mr. Lion. Did you know that lions are in the cat family? There's Mr. Cat. Now, my favorite part. Let's color our backgrounds. Let our imaginations run wild. I'm coloring in pink squiggly lines first. What are you doing, my dinos? Oh, that sounds like a great idea. Now I'm coloring the sections of pink. Every other section. And whatever's left over, I'm going to color it seafoam green. What are you doing, dinos? Oh, that's a great idea. Whoa, dinos, check out your worksheets. I'm so proud of everyone. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!